jumping right into it. We built a bunk system, but I just don't like it. So we're gonna cut this out and pull it all up, and we're gonna build something else. You know, it happens. Sometimes you build something and you just don't like it, so you change the idea. And our poly wall here just didn't stick like it's supposed to. I don't know if it comes up on the camera or not, but it's wavy, it's crappy, just not right. So we're gonna tear it out and we're gonna put something else in. So nice convenient roll. Okay, bunk area take 2. We're gonna put down some of these floor pieces and see how it works. Yeah, it's a little easier to work with, I believe. Alright. Got a bench system right here. Yeah. We need one more piece. I just didn't get that far yet. We're gonna see which way we like it. You can go like this. Fold it up. And all done. We can cross those up over there and store them like that. Not too big a deal. And just do one more slat setup. Alright, the bunk system. There we go. That's what our bunk system looks like. A couple simple pieces of wood. We need one more set here. I moved the camera too much. Yeah, we just need one more set here. Now we just got to decide if we like going like this. We're going to slide it and have them here, ready to rock and roll. Or if you just... Had to take a pause this week because Captain Deuce broke a few toes jumping off the couch. We'll be back at it next week, no big deal. Till then, here's a couple of filler video pieces. Little wiring here. Now we have us a new upgraded panel to work with the old existing panel. So they both work. Nice and shiny new thermostat with all the good controls.